Namaskar. Welcome to the world of imagination. Yes, our drawing session. Children, if somebody asks you to draw a perfect circle without using any instrument or rounder, you might get scared. But if someone tells you to write a letter O or number 0, you can do it easily. Actually, if we try to draw a circle in a systematic and step-by-step technique, we can draw it easily. It is a very easy task. Here we have few very easy steps to draw a circle. So let us start. As you have already mastered to make 4 equal parts of a page in drawing session number 2 and equal distances from the center point, same like 5th assignment of diamond. Here I am ready with 4 equal distances. After getting 4 equal distances, we have to connect these points with curve line. Be attentive, children. See how to hold a pencil. We hold a pencil here in front like this. Usually, it is okay for write something or draw smaller forms. But if we want to draw a bigger picture or shape, we need to hold the pencil much behind from the point. In geometrical language, we have completed the drawing of one sector. Do the same on the right side also. Draw an arc or curve line and join these 2 points. We have formed a semicircle here. Do the same. Join these 2 points with an arc or curve line. See, you can turn the book or page if you are not comfortable with this angle. But my suggestion is to do practice this by all angles. On some occasion, if you are drawing a circle on the wall, you will be not able to turn the wall. It is impossible. Do the same on remaining 2 dots. Join them with arc or curve line. Here our circle is ready, children. सुरुवातीला तुमच्यापैकी बऱ्याच जणांचं ड्रॉइंग असं होऊ शकतं. पण थोड्याशा प्रॅक्टिस नंतर हे सहज जमू शकतं. आता या सेक्टरमध्ये जर कर्व लाईन जास्त ताणली गेली असेल तर ती दुरुस्त करायची, म्हणजे तिला थोडं आत ढकलायचं. आणि जर तिचा कर्व कमी झाला असेल तर तो थोडा बाहेरच्या बाजूला ताणायचा, जसं की धनुष्याची दोरी.
The moon revolves around the earth. The earth revolves around the sun. The planets all revolve around the sun. To the edge of any planet, no sides and corners like a square. A circle everywhere. A circle everywhere. Second hand of the clock completes 60 rounds in an hour. The minute hand can complete only 1 round in an hour. An hour hand is very lazy. It takes 12 hours. From 12 to 12 the clock travels without tire. Doesn't matter clock's shape. Doesn't matter clock's shape, triangle or a square, a circle everywhere, a circle everywhere. The wheels of the vehicles from bicycle to plane, the wheels of the vehicles from bicycle to plane, running on the road or on track of a train. Wheels move the vehicles from here to there, with the steering, accelerator, brakes and the gear. Because, my dear, a circle everywhere, a circle everywhere. The cookies and chapati, bhakri and pizza. The cookies and chapati, bhakri and pizza, chili milli omelette and uttappa idli dosa. An age of round plate now looks yummy. Hey, hey, finished everything? Oh, that's not fair. A circle everywhere, a circle everywhere.